Solid tips for creating a good email marketing message. Business owners on the internet are always looking for new ways to market their products or services. If this is familiar for you, you should investigate email marketing. Continue watching to learn how this can benefit your business. When following up to your customers via email, you could try following up with some kind of reminder. For example, you could add a Visit Today button onto your ad. In addition, the closing of the postscript could inform your customers to make sure they do not disregard the CTO. Offer a coupon to customers who sign up for your marketing email list. Put a form on your website where customers can sign up and set the form to email automatically new customers a coupon when they submit the form. This encourages customers to agree to allow you to send them marketing materials so that you won't be accused of sending out spam. Follow up with contacts you meet at trade shows. Collect people's phone numbers when they stop by your table and call them within a couple of weeks of meeting them. Use the follow-up call to check in with your contact and ask him if he would like to receive your marketing newsletter by email. Data mine your email list and bucket your audience into various segments based off of any profiling data you have. This will allow you to be more strategic with your messaging and effectively increase your chances of higher open and click-through rates. Even if you don't have profiling, look to geo-targeting. Various regions respond differently to different types of messaging. Increasing sales on a small budget might sound daunting, but it can be done with the right email marketing campaign. What are you waiting for? Use this technique in your business. Start implementing some of the useful ideas in this video and your business will reap the rewards. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.